Okay, I got a little bit of a issue. Somehow this can of wax got on the floor, and it's basically like concrete on the floor, or like taffy actually. And so what we're doing is we're actually taking a heat gun and we're heating it up with this microfiber towel. Basically, I'm just using any junk towel that I have laying around. I've got a few of them. So we have it on high and we're just heating it up, and it's been about 3 minutes already and it's starting to come through, you can see. So the goal is to get this so that it's becoming essentially soft and almost like real waxy, and then it will dry, hopefully, and then we can peel it up with the cloth. I don't know. I'm not a waxer. All I know is this is like a nightmare, right? Look at that. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with. That is the nastiest stuff. And it's the size of my hand, essentially. And there's grout, of course, on the tile. So yeah, wish us luck. All right. This is an experiment more than anything, but this is probably one of those things that you spill in a house that you don't even know what to do. How in the world do you get this up? I think a hot iron would work too, but I don't really want to mess with a hot iron since we have a heat gun.
Oh my gosh, it's all coming through.
Why don't we wait for this to dry, and then I just don't want you to hit don't hit your hand on that metal. That's really hot. Yeah. I thought this was kind of like just putting it on your face, right? Because this is what it's for, like waxing your hair off your face or your legs. Yeah. You could roll in this thing and get a wax if you want.
I don't think you want any of that. This is not like some sort of food that you want. Very indicative of over here. Do you want to eat that stuff? Is it food? It's not food, is it? It's not a treat.
Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and it appears that it's somewhat dry, but still a little sticky. All right, well, we're going to peel it off, and let's see what happens. So, see if I can see if it will do anything. Are you peeling? Oh my God. That is crazy. It is. All right, now let's peel from the other side. Don't get your finger in it.
Oh my God.
You got your finger in it.
No.
This stuff is a nuisance. All right, clearly it's stuff that started out about that thick, so I think what we're gonna have to do is just do it again. And let's just do...
Until it's all gone.
Yep.
It's gonna take a long.
All right, fire up that heat gun and we'll start it up again. This is
It's taken quite a while. I think it's because it's not as thick anymore. Before it was like a lake, now it's just like a little cutter.
Okay, so we've been going for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to say that's
Pretty good.
what I'm going to stop at. So go ahead and fill it.
I want to like rip it off. I feel like it would get more off. It's like peeling off a Band-Aid.
Do you think that would be... Well, what happens if it... Okay.
So this, and then you just rip it off, not straight up that way. Ready? 3, 2,
You can go fast.
1.
What if it like slings up at us?
And sticks all over me?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go like this and pull it there. Wait, I would scooch more out.
Just peel it like that.
3, 2,
Don't go too fast.
1.
Oh my There's the sling. That stuff is like, just keep it up. Just pull it up. All right, put it right here. Yeah, that is some nasty.
Yeah, we got a lot of it off though.
Yeah, and we're getting there. It's just you'd be surprised. All right, now the question is, should we try a
Magic eraser.
should we try? No, I'm thinking of like alcohol. So
Bleach.
rubbing alcohol. Why don't we try rubbing alcohol
Ooh.
and just see. All
What
right,
if we try acetone?
we're gonna hit it with the isopropyl alcohol. This is only 70%.
Oh well.
We have some 99% or 90%.
We can try this first. Why don't we pour in this one?
Just pour it right on it.
Like that.
Yeah, let's get this over here.
Oh, it's running all through here.
Okay, let it be. Let this stuff just kind of set for a minute.
Should we get the heat gun?
No, I don't think we're gonna heat it up.
Piece of hair.
This stuff is just a menace. That's all I can say. It is a menace.
Smell that.
It smells like rubbing alcohol. I mean, isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so now this stuff is doing some work here. We can take the towel, I guess.
You know, right here.
Yeah. Why don't we take this small one?
Put it on. Geez, this one's messed up. Look at it. With the lighting. Oh, yuck. This towel's the most disgusting. So what if I put a little on here?
This stuff's doing nothing.
I put a little on the towel.
Nada.
Okay.
Ain't doing nothing. All right, let's not even waste that towel. This is not effective at all. It may be effective to get the final
So sticky.
residue off, but this is not effective.
Well, it's
Okay.
effective to get it off your fingers.
Yeah. Well, that didn't work at all. It did nothing. So the next thing is
What
we
if you
could
search
use.
up how to get wax off the tile?
You're gonna come across our video.
Ooh.
All right. Next thing is Goo Gone. So let's just take this and we're gonna put this stuff on.
Oh my gosh, it's so gooey. Ugh. Ugh. I think the spray bottle works, but I think it's so gooey that it won't go up the thing.
Possible. All right. Let's just we're gonna let that stuff just set there for quite a while.
That's so gooey.
Okay, so it's been 2 hours. 2 hours and 6 minutes since we left here. So, this chemical, Goo Gone, has been sitting on here, and you can see it has completely
We can't touch it.
broken up the wax, and now we are, yeah, look at that. So far, I'm thinking this is a success. All right, so now what we have to do is just take a towel, one of these. Alright, so now what we're going to do is take some isopropyl alcohol, clean up this floor because there's an oily residue, and then that will take care of it. But as far as the wax, it is gone. Completely gone from the everything. So, success.